cold. Turn the heat on. It's that good heated seats. Oh, that's AC. We don't want that. There we go. Want that heat on that butt. You know what I mean? Pause. Alright, man. So if you read the title, you know what it is, man. Today is Dyno Day. Dyno and Tune. So we getting ready to take the car up to I ain't gonna say the name yet until I say the name, Baker Engineering, man. Getting ready to take the car up to Baker Engineering. They told me to bring it up today. They gonna give me go give me a dyno and a tune. So hopefully it's gonna make the car run a lot better, man. I got cousin a Maserati go follow me up there and bring me back. We was gonna get some races in, but he said he having a little issues with the Mazzy, man. Little stuff. He'll be back right anyway. So we just gonna take it smooth up there, man. Get a little ride up there. It's only about 15 minutes away. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning. That mother. All right, man. I'm kind of in a rush, so this video a little choppy, but we on the road up to Baker Engineering now, man. They gonna give me a dyno and tune, but they not gonna do it today. They just go have it for this week. He said he'll get it done this week, so I'll probably be picking the car up Friday. Today is Monday, so I'll probably be picking the car up Friday, and that's perfect because I'm off that weekend and or this weekend. So with that being said, man, please like, share, and subscribe. It's a lot of traffic out here. I'm gonna turn the camera back on when we get to Baker, man. All right, man, so we just got here. I'm getting ready to walk in the office. I'm gonna turn the camera back on, see if I can record in here, I don't know, so. This moving. The Maserati moving, boy. This the Jubilee, which one is it? Jubilee.
QS, Q4.
Q4?
Yeah,
this one be moved. We looked it up, I think got like 400 horse. Stock. They come stock full. All-wheel drive too. This mug's moved.
I'm gonna get a new. I'll probably do an intake and a exhaust.
Intake and exhaust. Yeah, that's all you need for real. Intake, exhaust. Yeah, that's straight. Intake and exhaust.
I might look into a wrap next summer. Cause I want. It make no sense to do it in the winter.
Nah. Like the end of the winter, that way you can bust out with that mug. Yeah. That'll be a one-on-one, man. What y'all think, man? You think you should camo wrap the Maserati? It's black right now. It's a gloss black right now.
Let me know. I'm gonna go with what they say.
Yeah, drop it in the comments, man. Go in the comments. Y'all get to vote on the Maserati right now.
Let me know.
Camo or satin black?
Yup, either one of them two. Whatever y'all pick, that's what I'm gonna go with.
Either one. Y'all gotta drop it in the comments. Vote right now, man.
Think about what you think about a boiler exhaust.
A boiler, yeah.
Just because I like the deep, you know what I'm saying.
That's what I think I'm finna do tomorrow. I'm finna take that Corsa off. That Corsa Extreme too crazy.
Nice, man.
It's too crazy though.
That Corsa crazy.
It be too loud. It be too loud, man.
Just me following you up here, I can hear that thing the whole way up here, just screaming.
And I just made it back home, dropping the car off. We was listening to music and stuff, man, so I ain't record too much. But yeah, man, I requested that they get some footage for me, man, so I can put it on the YouTube on the dyno. I ain't never seen my car on the dyno, so she said they could try to do that. And I'm gonna call him today. And like the guy who's tuning it, he called me from his personal phone last week, so I'm gonna call him today too and ask him, like, make sure, try to get some footage, man, please, you know. And I also almost forgot to mention to them that I had an E85 flex tune on it right now. So I did tell them about everything else, but I didn't mention the E85 flex tune that's on it now. So I'm gonna need the E85 tune and like a 93 tune. So yeah, man. So next time I turn the camera back on, I'm gonna be picking the car up, man. I'm gonna just add this all in one video, or I might drop this video now. I don't know. All right, man, so I guess I ain't gonna finish editing this video about dropping the car off yesterday because the tune shop just called me, told me the tune is ready and we good to come pick it up. So I'm just hoping, I didn't even ask when they called me if they got that footage, but hopefully he did pick up some of the footage on the dyno. If not, it is what it is. But I got my GoPro charged up. Cuz just pulled up in the Benz. So we'll go outside and I'm gonna talk a little bit more in the car. All right, man, we just made it here. So let's see. What's up, man?
Too bad.
I'm here for the Camaro.
Here?
Yep.
Oh, he's the one you need to talk to.
All right.
Calvin?
Yes. Just got the keys, just made my payment. I'm getting ready to get the car. I got my paperwork right here. It ain't as much, what's up, man? It ain't as much wheel horsepower to the wheels I thought it was gonna be, but it ain't bad for my mods, you know what I mean? It ain't bad at all. Cold start. Anyway, so this my numbers, man. This what I got. Thought I was a little more than that. I thought I was over 500. Probably just a little over 500, but probably about 470, man. 469.91 and 418.36. I mean, yeah, 0.36 torque. So it ain't the best. It ain't what I thought I had more than that. You know, I'm sitting around, I guess you could say about 470 horse. You know what I mean? I thought I was at more than that, but I'm gonna go over here and get some gas, man. And I'm gonna hook up the GoPro, and then we gonna take it for a spin and see how I feel, man. I feel a little bit, let's see. Pick up Cuz, man. He ain't been in the car since I did all the modifications and stuff, man. So this pretty much gonna be his first reaction of it, man. I'm about to go pick him up now, and I'll turn the camera on when I get to him, man. We be on YouTube,
man.
All right, we rolling.
I'm on the tube.
Camera rolling. Way better.
What's up, man?
Go on this ride, man. First time being in the Camaro. Not your first time, but it's gonna be your first first official time.
I'm here to see this mug take off.
Yeah. Safety first.
Safety first, you know. On precious cargo, gonna be a lot of upset pennies if something happened to me. look, they whipping their heads already. That's crazy. It don't even sound as loud on the inside as it do on the outside.
No, it ain't that bad on the inside.
That and everything.
Yep.
That's dope. So what's that? Are you doing the manual?
Yeah. I'm in manual mode.
Okay. Big Smug ain't playing. Man, this motherfucker is not playing, man. That shit funny as hell. This mother be roaring, man. That shit funny, man.
That's Pops right there.
Where?
Right there, coming in the vent.
Oh, okay. I see. I couldn't see because the Sebring was in
Yeah,
the way.
automatic now.
He got that mud clean too. He must have went to that car wash down there.
Nah, he said he should have
164.
Traffic so heavy, man. That's whack.
I know, right?
I get those
So what's the motherfucking scat packs running at? You at a 4 or something, right?
Oh, I'm faster than Scat.
What they running at? Like 390?
They come 485. They probably pushing about.
Damn, 485.
Yeah, they come 485, I think. Or
So this was.
475.
So what's this running?
This comes stock 455 to the engine though.
But you got it.
Now I'm 470 to the wheel.
Okay.
But that's to the wheel.
Well, how are you going faster than them if they 485?
Cause that's to their engine. To their wheels probably
Whoa.
even. Probably about 450, 430.
You be racing them?
I haven't. Oh no, I have. I raced one on the road. I killed him.
Guilty.
I ate him up and he was with his girl. Ate him up.
What you hit?
144.
Well, this shit sound like a damn Tyrannosaurus, man. You named her? No, you gotta name her. This shit crazy. Because you might change my mind. You might change my mind, cuz. This nigga on the hunt. He said we got action.
We got action. Oh, that's the RS. That's real slow.
Yeah, real slow.
He ain't no shit.
Everybody say that.
Yeah, oh, that's a lady too.
Yeah, she ain't no shit.
That wasn't a jab at my RS boys, man. My dog got an RS. That wasn't a jab, bro. I just had to jab her. I don't know her. That wasn't a jab at the RS, man. That was just an RS for her. Bird got me, man. Damn. Anyway, man, I'm back at the house, man. I'm gonna wrap this video, man. Hope y'all liked it. They did get some footage for me on the dyno. I hope y'all liked that. One of the angles wasn't so great. The other one was good. Shout out to Baker Engineering, man. They did a good job, man. I'm definitely satisfied. I got pretty good numbers for my mods, man. 470 horse or 469.9, 470, and I think like 418 pounds of torque. Pretty good, man. It's pretty good numbers with my mods compared to other Camaros that I seen with some of the same similar mods, man. But we on the road to 500 subscribers and we on the road to 500 horsepower. I ain't stopping, man. Please like, share, and subscribe. It's free, it's painless as always, and to help the channel grow, man. We working. Until next time, I'm out.